Good evening, everybody. It is April the 27th, 2019. It is 9:20. Here we go with your evening report, and I'm pretty sure I'm going to be back for a midnight report. First off, earthquakes. 2.7, Central California, 14 miles northeast of Soledad. That came in at 1.2 miles in depth. There was a 3.3, Central Alaska, at 2.4 miles in depth. A 3.6, Arizona, 29 miles south of Clifton and 6.2 miles in depth. There was a 4.0, Banda C, Indonesia, at 106.8 miles in depth. A 2.7, Western Texas, 11 miles southeast of Pecos, and that came in at 8.6 miles in depth. There was a 3.2, Central Mediterranean Sea. Okay, and that came in at 1.2 miles in depth. Sorry, I couldn't read my own writing there for a second. A 2.4, Northern California, 7 miles northwest, and you're going to love this name, Sambars, at 17 miles in depth. A 3.7, near the coast of Papua, Indonesia, at 6.2 miles in depth. 4.1, TALAUD, Indonesia, and that came in at 6.2 miles in depth. Now there was a 4.3, Kuril Island region, which they upgraded to a 4.5, and that came in at 24.8 miles in depth. There was a 4.3, Nias, Indonesia, at 29.8 miles in depth. There was a 4.1, Chile, at 31.0 miles in depth. A 3.5, Costa Rica, at 18.6 miles in depth. A 4.3, Greece, Iona Sea, and that came in at 6.2 miles in depth. A 4.2, off the coast of Kamchatka. Thanks to my friend Hatbox, she helped me learn to pronounce that word, at 6.2 miles in depth, and that was in Russia. There was a 4.5 in Russia just a few minutes ago, same location, off the coast of Kamchatka at 6 miles in depth. Then there was a 3.4 that also just happened, Anchorage, Alaska, at 21 miles in depth. Let me take a breath. All right, that's all we have for right now. God bless each and every one of you. Please be safe out there. You guys are totally awesome. 2 thumbs up for you. Have a wonderful night.